Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in crypto news in a fast and easy to digest way so you can understand what's really happening. Today we're talking about some big price predictions for Cardano ADA, and these predictions are turning heads. A top trader is calling for a massive 487% surge that could take Cardano ADA all the way to $1.90. But here's the thing, this isn't just wild speculation. The prediction is based on Cardano's recent rebound from critical support levels. The social sentiment right now is showing that the ADA community is curiously optimistic, but there's a lot of excitement building around the potential for a Cardano ADA breakout. So is this the rally that could push Cardano to new highs? Or should we hold off on the celebrations? Let's dive into the details of this bold price prediction and what it could mean for Cardano ADA holders. Let's go. So, before we get into the article, I want to be really clear, crystal clear, that these aren't my price predictions. The $31, the $32, the $7, the $12. This is a news channel, right? And we're going to go into the news. We're going to break it down, make it easy to understand so you know what's actually happening in the crypto space. I'm going to even fact check some stuff that I just think is bullshit. So I just want to be really quite clear. People are jumping into the comments. They're not even watching the videos, and they're talking about, how I need to get my price predictions lined up because 1 minute is 32, then it's one, then it's, whatever it might be next. But this is a news channel, so I want to be really clear on that. But let's get to it, right? We've got this article here we're going to delve into with a $1.90 prediction. So Cardano is eyeing a potential 487% surge, with analysts predicting that Cardano ADA could hit a whopping $1.90 if it maintains its rebound from key support levels. This projection is based on a combination of strong technical indicators and a broader market recovery in the crypto space. The sentiment is curiously bullish, or cautiously bullish, I should say, if Cardano breaks above the 40 cent where it currently is, a new rally could be on the horizon, according to this article. But look, what's your take? Can Cardano ADA hit $1.90 anytime soon? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Really interested to get your views and opinions. The sentiment is obviously bullish for this article. And look, that is aligned with the broader crypto space. And I do expect that we are going into a bull run before we do see a major recession. So, look, there's time in the market's really difficult, right? I think that somewhere around July, August could be the top for the crypto market before we go into a recession. But look, you can let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comments below. This is a news channel, and I want to kind of keep people as up to date as possible. And I want to give my honest opinions on the market, right? Because my opinions don't always align to many others, but the predictions have been second to no one in the last 24 months, calling numerous bottoms, numerous highs, and also highlighting crashes 19 months before they're going to happen, and telling you accurately, when the Fed was going to pivot. So look, we've been all over this market, and it's been wonderful for us and hopefully our community too. But let me know your thoughts and opinions, and let's move on. Next, we've got Cardano. A short-term warning has triggered I guess an indicator for Cardano ADA, as the relative strength index, the RSI, shows signs of being overbought. Historically, this indicator indicates a possible price correction or consolidation in the near term. However, Cardano's long-term potential remains strong, according to this article, with recent developments and ecosystem growth driving optimism. The key to watch is how Cardano reacts to the 40 cent support level where we are currently, and what I guess, what do you think, right? Will ADA face a correction or continue an upward trend? Because historically it has pushed on and just caught people well off guard. But I'm expecting a correction. We don't go up in straight lines. That's my opinion. But the sentiment for this article is, be cautious, right? And expect short-term risk. And I'm kind of aligned to that, as I've said in many of the previous videos. But let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comments below. Very important to me that we understand your views and your opinions. But let's move on. And again, just I want to kind of highlight the FTX creditors only getting 10 to 25% of their crypto back. And I want to talk about the fact that this has a bearing on the crypto market. Are they going to keep it or are they going to sell it? So FTX creditors are expected to recover only 10 to 15% of their crypto holdings, with distribution starting in Q4 2024. The relevance of the remaining funds will, go to some sort of closure, I guess. But it highlights the amount of losses investors are facing in this article. And anyway, it does kind of, dictate what's actually going to happen. And look, I've got my views on this, and I'll give you those in a moment. But again, it's a reminder, right? It is a massive reminder that you should self-custody, right? The sentiment is mixed as creditors gain some recovery, but the losses reinforce concerns around centralized exchanges. For me, my opinion is that this serves as a massive reminder of the importance of self-custody and decentralized solutions for safeguarding your crypto investments. And you've got to read those terms and conditions, right? We were very fortunate, right? We highlighted the FTX collapse before pretty much anybody. There's even talk like of BitBoy doing the same, but he really didn't. He had a problem with Sam Bankman-Fried stealing like a bill that he was putting together. It was nothing to do with the exchange collapsing, but it was twisted in a way to make it seem like he was highlighting it, was going to collapse, and that really wasn't the case. Just wanted to put gentle reminders out there that we were one of very few people that were highlighting it, giving people ample opportunity to get their crypto off the exchanges. The most amount of money that I saw one of our community members save was $80,000 when we highlighted it. And we highlighted it because we noticed some really unusual activity in liquidation data that we were looking at every day on a daily basis. So look, our predictions have been, amazing, and not only have we made people a lot of money with some of the calls that we've made, and they did their own research and aligned with their thoughts, they made money. We saved a lot of people a lot of money by highlighting the big risk that was there. Now we do have a link, an affiliate link in the description of the video to get yourself a Ledger device. This is a hardware wallet. Go check it out. Keep your crypto safe. Have your own I guess control over your crypto, and don't let exchanges control your crypto, because once you put it on most of these platforms, it becomes theirs and not yours. And you're relying on them actually doing what they say they're going to do, and not just spending your money on whatever they want. So just be mindful of that. Anyway, let's move on. I think I've made my point with that. We've got October crypto rally is possibly imminent. And here's why. Again, just a really interesting article. An October crypto rally is on the horizon, with analysts suggesting that market conditions are primed for a breakout. Factors, like increased institutional interest, potential FT, ETFs. I've got FTX on the mind. So let me just start again. Potential ETF approvals and improving macroeconomic, I can't talk today, conditions could trigger a surge across the markets. And I highlight this. Obviously, we're talking about Cardano a lot here. It includes Cardano. The big question now really is, can ADA capitalize on the momentum and reach new highs in the fourth quarter of this year? What are your predictions, right? Let me know. What are your Cardano ADA predictions for October? Do you think that we'll ride all the way up to $1? Really interested to get your views and opinions. So do let me know. Again, the article is optimistic with strong anticipation for a broader crypto market rally. My opinion is, ADA needs to, maintain positive momentum, and if it can benefit from the whole market surge. That's my views, my opinions. And look, I think that we need to focus on where big opportunities are going to be. Now, I've talked about deepin, I've talked about real world tokenization, privacy layers. I think all of those are really important. But there is an article here talking about decentralized AI and the fact that it's gaining traction. And a crypto veteran recently highlighted that there can be reduced bias and manipulation in decentralized making processes by using multiple validators and decentralized models. This significant implication for blockchain and DeFi sectors, including projects like Cardano, where decentralized solutions are key to network growth and trust. Again, just a really interesting article. I'm going to share it in our free Discord, link in the description of the video. Join us there, over 7,000 people talking about crypto 24/7, supporting one another, navigate this space impeccably to do well and make lots of money in the crypto space. But look, do you believe decentralized AI could shape the future of crypto, or will it be centralized systems that still dominate? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Personally, I think we should be keeping an eye on projects that could partner with SingularityNet, Fetch AI, and Ocean to create this massive alliance, because I think there's real benefit and power to that, and I think there's going to be lots and lots of money to be made if you're investing in some of these altcoins, and they do manage to join that alliance. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, join us in the free Discord, link in the description of the video, and I will catch you in tomorrow's video.